Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are talking about ADO.NET model. In this specific video, we will talk about database specific provider classes. The provider knows how to connect to database and perform data retrieval as well as manipulation. So provider will be specific for the underlying database, whether it is a SQL Server or Oracle. There will be a different providers that knows how to talk to the database. The providers vary based on the underlying database. .NET Framework packs set of provider classes under system.data.sql client to connect to SQL Server database. So all the provider classes are available inside the namespace system.data.sql client. So if you see, the last part of the namespace tells the specific database, right? System data. Under this data, there is a namespace called SQL client. Suppose you want to connect to Oracle database, the provider classes are available under system, and if you see, it is same data, same namespace, and here it changes, so it is Oracle client. So this is SQL client is the namespace that contains all the provider classes to connect to SQL Server database. Similarly, to connect to Oracle database, all the classes are packed inside the Oracle client namespace. In this course, we are going to use the provider from data client because, SQL client, because we want to connect to SQL Server database. There are other set of provider classes to connect to other databases like Sybase, MySQL. So you can refer Microsoft documentation to get a namespace name that matches with your database. So always refer the documentation. In this course, we will connect to SQL Server database to learn ADO.NET. Here in this course, our goal is to learn ADO.NET, and we take backend as SQL Server. Right, ADO.NET with the SQL Server, and we use programming language as C#. There is no demo here. Thank you for watching. Bye.